Ever wonder why some people achieve massive success while others with similar talent don't? The answer is grit. Grit isn't just about working hard, it's about staying committed to your goals over the long haul. It is the combination of passion and perseverance. It's the relentless drive to keep going no matter what. It is what keeps you going when the time is hard. Think about the people who inspire you: athletes, entrepreneurs, artists. They didn't just rely on talent. They put in years of work pushing through setbacks and failures, driven by a deep passion for what they do. This is grit in action. The good news? Grit can be developed. First, embrace a growth mindset, believing that your abilities can improve with effort. When you face challenges, see them as opportunities to learn, grow, and break through. It is Nelson Mandela who said, "It always seems impossible until it's done." Next, find your passion. Grit is fueled by a deep interest in something you care about. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Find what truly excites you, something you can stay committed to over the long haul. Finally, practice deliberately. This isn't just about putting in the hours, but focusing on specific areas for improvement, setting stretch goals, and pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone. It's about quality, not just quantity. Remember, success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing or learning to do. Believe in your efforts, even when progress seems slow. Surround yourself with people who encourage your growth and perseverance. Align your goals with a sense of purpose that drives you forward no matter what. Like Steve Jobs said, you can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backward. You must trust the process. Grit isn't just an idea, it's a tool you need to success. Start building your grit today. Remember, without day one, there is no one day. Talent starts the journey. Grit brings you to the finish line. It ain't over until you said it's over. Keep pushing forward. To find out more about grit, read Angela Duckworth's books, Grit. In the book, she talks about other tips and strategy in building and honing grit. You can get the link to the book in the caption.